Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And guys, this video beautiful look guys, farm life animal sets guys, beautiful high quality animals, farm animal sets, horse, swan, duck, horse, cow, goat, donkey, dog, sheep, cow, little size cow, beautiful guys, animals collection. So let's get start this open pouch. So let's go. Wow, so open pouch, very nice guys. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, farm life animals, cow, goat, horse, sheep, sheep babies, beautiful look. So guys, review, little size cow, very nice guys, black white combination, little size, very nice cow. Wow, very nice. So next guys, sheep. Wow, very nice guys, white red combination, beautiful look sheep. Wow, very nice sheep. And next guys, dog. Wow, look is amazing, beautiful look guys, dog, very nice dog. Wow, high quality figure dog. Oh, design is really cool. Next guys, goat. Wow, beautiful look guys, goat, very nice figure goat, look is amazing goat. Wow, very nice goat. So next figure, donkey guys, beautiful look guys, look is wonderful design, donkey, very nice look donkey. Wow, look is amazing donkey. So next figure, cow. Wow guys, black white combination, beautiful look guys, cow, white black. Wow, design is wonderful, finishing high quality cow figure. So next guys, oh wow, look is amazing guys, high quality horse figure, racing horse. Wow, finishing is really cool guys, high quality racing horse figure, look is amazing. So next guys, wow, swan, look is amazing, white red combination, beautiful look guys, swan, very nice swan. And next guys, next, oh wow, red white black combination horse, look is amazing. Wow, design is wonderful, high quality making figure, very nice horse figure. So next figure, duck, white red combination, beautiful look guys, duck, very nice duck. So guys, all animals open. So guys, this video like and subscribe my YouTube channel, please support me guys.